Today we're clearing up the confusion of sell-through rate on eBay. This is important if you're looking for items you've never sold before. You want to purchase items that you can sell as quickly as possible. Follow along for the important steps. First step is to search eBay for the item you are researching. You can type in the item like in this image, scan the barcode of an item, though the results aren't always the best, or even take a photo with your phone. I've found searching on a desktop is the best way to ensure accurate results. I know that's not helpful when at a garage sale. Your first search may need to be refined. Like in this image, we searched first for vintage Lego Space Shuttle, but that returned to many items for sale that didn't match what we have. So we added the Lego item number, which narrowed our results. This is important. When calculating sell-through rates, you only want like items in your calculations. Otherwise, the rate will be far from accurate. Make a note of how items are currently listed for sale. Next, locate the word Advanced in the upper right corner of the page. It is to the right of the blue search button, and then click on it. This is the Advanced Search menu screen. A surprising amount of eBay sellers don't know about this page, and we all need to. Make sure to click the box to the left of Sold Items option. It will automatically select the Completed Items option as well, which is fine. Then click the blue search button. This now shows us all of the matching items that have sold in the last 90 days. It displayed the number of items sold for the phrase we typed into the search bar in the beginning. However, this isn't a true number. If you scroll through the results, you see that the top few are a very close match, or maybe an ideal match. But further down the list, the items start to become significantly different. You don't want these items in your numbers. If we want a rough calculation, we can just eyeball it to get a feel for the sell-through. This is something that will become easier with experience gained. Otherwise, we need to scroll down the results and manually count the sold listings that match what we are selling. Don't count anything that isn't what you are looking to list on eBay. This is a little flexible in that we are counting the vintage Lego Space Shuttle set number 1682 and not worrying if they sold complete or not. But we're not counting the manual only solds or the sold items that are not number 1682. It's a little confusing, but will make sense once you start doing it. And now, a little math. I know, everybody loves math. I will make it as simple as possible, because I too am not a fan. Okay, I counted 5 sold items. That means 32 active listings added to 5 sold items gives us 37. 37 represents the total items that were listed in the last 90 days. I mean, an item can't sell unless it's listed, right? Next, we divide 37 by 5. 37 listings divided by 5 solds for 7.4 or 13.5% sell-through rate, which sort of means it will take, on average, 7.5 months to sell your item. Now this doesn't adjust for seasons, swings, and trends. It's just a tool to show what is sold on eBay in the last 90 days. No guarantee on future sales. The higher the percentage, the better the sell-through rate, or the more demand there is for that item. Good info to have when we're sourcing items for our eBay stores. What methods do you use when sourcing items? Let us know by leaving a comment. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe for more. It's free.